Hi, welcome to our channel. Are you looking to elevate your home interiors with a trendy design feature into 2023? Well, we have got something for you, folding doors. In this video, we are going to show you 30 plus beautiful folding door designs that are perfect for modern living space, from sleek and minimalistic to rustic and cozy. And we have got a folding doors for every taste and style. Before videoing, make sure to hit that like button and comments below which style you are excited to see. Folding doors are not only stylish but also practical. They are perfect for creating a seamless indoor-outdoor living experience, and they can also be used to maximize space in small homes. If you are living in a tiny apartment, a folding doors can give you that extra privacy you need without taking up a valuable square footage. Or if you are lucky enough to have a spacious home, a folding doors can add a touch of elegance and sophistication to your living space. So what do you think of idea of folding doors in general? Let us know in the comment below and give this video a like if you are excited to see more. Now let's take a closer look at each of beautiful folding door designs we have selected. From classic accordion style to trendy bifold design, you will be amazed at how versatile and stunning these doors can be. Which one do you think will be your favorite? Comment below and let us know. That was amazing. Don't forget to give this video a like if you are enjoyed that design, and leave us a comment below which one you are excited to see next. If you are planning to incorporate a folding door into your home, there are few things to keep in mind. First, consider the material. Folding doors can be made from a variety of materials, including wood, glass, aluminum, and vinyl. Each material has its own unique advantage and disadvantage, so choose the one that best suits your needs and preferences. Second, think about the size and configuration of doors. Folding doors can be customized to fit any opening, whether it is a standard doorway or a large patio opening. Finally, consider the style and color of the door. Do you want a modern sleek look or a more traditional rustic vibe? The possibilities are endless. Now that you have seen of our favorite folding door designs, we want to hear from you. Which one do you think would look best in your home? Leave us a comment below and let us know. Thanks for watching, and we hope you enjoyed learning about these beautiful folding door designs. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family who are also into trendy interior design. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. We will catch you in the next video. Goodbye. Take care.